Well, we all know what that is. That's the Emirates A380 coming in from Dubai. I think I will say it's almost unusual to see an ordinary, if there's such a thing, Emirates A380, not a special livery one. Like that, for whatever reason, he's going back around. Right, we'll see him again in a few minutes, I guess. So here she is again, the Emirates A380, second time lucky at landing. Very weird, no adverse conditions, but it didn't like it last time. See what happens this time. Yeah, he's putting it down this time.